How to upload video on Facebook page officially. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply log into your account and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find plus button on right side of your screen on top. Simply click on plus button, which is also beside search button. After you click on plus button, you'll find all these options. Click on post, then click on photo and video. Select the video you want. You can add caption. Make sure your video status is public or only friends. After you're done tagging people, adding captions, simply press on next on top right corner of your screen and post your video officially. This is how to upload video on Facebook page officially. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.